My baby.
The solution to this love equation is amazing because there ain't one. It's complicated. Love, in this case, is more than just a 4-letter word. It's like a math problem that had been presented, and the square root was how this whole thing got started. And you just gotta solve it. But it ain't that simple. See, there are these hidden variables that sometimes don't equate in. With an equation like this, your mind has to be in a state where you look at the bigger picture. Sometimes there's work you have to show. At times you guess and check, but sometimes you just know. This love ain't a linear equation at points you can't line up your dots. This love is sporadic and unpredictable. It's more like a scatter plot. This love never has no solution, and it's never undefined. You just gotta have some patience, because complex questions take some time. Now I wonder quite often if this love is never ending, and I'd love to think so, but mixed signs this love is sending. So I take his negative with the positive, and at times I forget my steps, but regardless, I never quit, because it'll always be on the test. See, I feel like what we got is much more than infinity. It's like calculus. Wish I could equal your touch, but I can't, because you're greater than me. Thank you.